Literally, I'm not feeling so good to even record this video, but I have to make this. As I have already given in this video one of the commitment, every alternate day I will have to upload one single video. And tomorrow I won't be available because I will be traveling somewhere else. And due to this reason, I'm just going to record this video again and upload today only, so that there won't be any kind of consistency break. And that is the same reason I'm just recording this video and to be edited today only, and we'll have to finalize with all thumbnail and then only will be uploaded there. Because before this video itself, I have break one time the consistency, and if I'm going to repeat the same mistake, it is kind of thing that I'm going to make one of the new habit, which is going to be the one who would be just breaking the consistency if you really want to be persistent over something which you really wish to. And definitely I do not want to make this consistency to break. And before this 2025 end, I have to make at least 50 plus of videos onto this channel itself, and I have to do this at any cost. Let me know if in the comment section if I would be able to do this commitment or not. So before even we can further proceed, you might have the question that how we would be able to consistent on over something which we really have to. And in this video I will be just understanding that what is the main reason behind this consistency is, and how we have to first identify the main reason, so that once we eliminate those, it will be more easier for us to be so much consistent over something which we have to be so much consistent on. As in my series there was a kind of technical videos, and the reason I didn't wanted to break this consistency, I'm just going to make a video on this topic itself. So here in this you will be first able to understand what actually this consistency is and how you would be able to persist on it, and what actually the main reason behind this consistency, so that if you could eliminate those, it will be much more easier for you to get into this flow. And later we will discuss a few of the points that will help you definitely to be consistent over something which you really have to achieve something. Because this is the only one thing, if you become consistent and disciplined over something for the next 10 minutes, for the next 1 month, maybe 2 to 3 months, you have already escaped 90% of the people behind, because nobody is there to care about this consistency. But actually the progress is in this consistency. And if I would not be uploading this video, there will be a gap of 3 to 4 days, and that I do not want to be. So first we have to understand what actually this consistency is. The consistency here, it just simply means you have to be persistent over something. What actually this persistence means is, if you have started to learn something, if you have decided every single day you will have to read at least 10 pages every single day, if any of the books, for the next 30 days, because you are in the process to make one of the habits. And if some of the days something happens, maybe you won't be able to be consistent, that is manageable. If you could read at least 1 page, that is what actually the persistence is. Consistency doesn't simply mean that you have to be so much perfect every single day. You just have to get out of this trap of perfectionism. If you are not even aware of what actually this perfectionism is and how it is killing our potential, even if we have no such realization about this. And so I have one of the requests, please help yourself go through this video once, and you will understand all the concept of consistency and the perfectionism, so that you will be able to avoid this, to actually take the action and accomplish something that 90% of the people is just avoiding. And you will be able to accomplish something that you have never ever accomplished before, if you were not aware of this perfectionism trap. And so what actually this consistency is, it just say we'll have to show up, even if it is not perfect, we just have to show up at anyhow. And that is what actually we are going to maintain this. And what actually the main reason behind this consistency is, because we do not have the belief. Sometimes it generally happens. Let me just give you a very simple example so that you will be able to understand it and relate to your life. As always, you had the clarity, right? Before even you have started your schooling, you had the clarity that after spending at least 10 years, maybe 15 years, you will be getting any kind of jobs. And for that reason, you are so much consistent over something to complete your schooling, to complete your high secondary education, and then after college, and to be consistent for these 10 to 15 years. Just so because you have the clarity that after completion of this, you will be getting a kind of job. And this was the reason that made you to be consistent so much. So only thing is clarity. If you have already known that this is something which I have to do for the next 1 month, on every single week, what I have to do has the clarity, and then definitely you will be able to do this. We can just simply say that consistency is just maintained by how much you have the belief over something which you really want to do. And if you have definitely the belief, you will be consistent enough over something which you really have the destination to achieve. Maybe it might take months, maybe years, because sometime you will just feel not to be consistent. You might not be feeling that we'll have to do, but you just have to do this, because there is no such relation with your feeling and your action. If you're just relating completely with whenever you're feeling you have to do and you are going to do this, and then only you're going to take the action, then definitely you should be first isolate this feeling of from that of the action. Do not ever let your feeling decide your action. And this is what actually very simple thing is. And here is one of the rules. If you could follow this, you would be able to be consistent over something which you really have the aspiration to be. It is 2-minute rule. If you want to start something, just start for the next 2 minutes. And once you started something that is going to be persistent for the next 2 minutes, you won't even realize that this 2 minute has already been extended to next 20 minutes, next 2 hours. You would not be even realizing this. If you remember that there is one of the law by the Newtons, the law of inertia. If you are in this state of motion, definitely you would like to be stick to the same inertia of motion. If you are in this state of static state, definitely you will not like to be moving from that on positions. So it just say that whichever condition you are in, you would definitely would like to remain in that condition only, whether it is in the momentum or whether it is in the same static way. It completely depends. So if you have started, because if you were able to start something for the next 2 minutes, the 50% of the obstacle of this consistency problem you have already solved. And that is the best ever thing you could remember. Because motivation is something which is completely different. There is no such relation between this motivation and discipline. It is something sometimes fades away and sometimes it is there. But if you completely rely on this motivation itself, it is not going to take you forward to what actually you have already decided of. Because it is kind of thing that gets you started, but to complete the journey, discipline is something going to help you way out of this problem. So you could also remember this, motivation is something that is gets you started, but discipline is the real thing that gets you going and achieve something which you have already decided of. So do not ever wait for the perfectionism, because if you have started your coding journey, maybe for the first day you have started with 10 minutes, 20 minutes, whatever it is, just be consistent for the next 3 months. And once you have spent your time for the next 3 months consistently, even if something was not even interested of you, you will be interested in that topic itself. There is no such thing like I am interested on this thing, I am interested in this thing. It is completely based on how much time you have given to that specific field. If you have given 3 months regularly for that coding, you will be so much interested in coding, because I have already realized this in different other fields. And that is the main reason I'm just mentioning it here to you, so that you will also take it away and implement the same. So that later on, if you are so much struggling over something which is completely difficult, just go through that blindly for the next 3 months, and then after you will get to see the results, what actually that is. And if you really have the aspiration to start even content creation journey, right, you just have to start whatever the resources you have. If you have been watching this video itself, it is clear sign that you have enough resources to make start of this content creation journey, because you have the smartphone, right? This device containing all those things, including the microphone, whatever it is. You have to be consistent in the morning, because in the morning only you will be getting a better lightning, so that it will be clear for you to make this video. And if you are someone who has already decided to be consistent for the next upcoming 2 months in my journey, definitely I will be very happy to welcome you as well in this community. So if I want to wrap up this video, right, it will be completely very simple. The consistency is something you have to just show up, and most of the time you won't be able to consistent, you just have to show up. And we have also understood what actually the main reason behind this consistency is, and that is perfectionism is something that is kind of obstacle which is holding you back. So understand this from my one of the previous video, and you will never ever be perfectionist and achieving something more that you have ever achieved so far, if you could understand this principle. And the third one, we have already identified that what actually the main reason behind this consistency, because we do not even have the belief over something. And if we have no such belief, we won't be able to be consistent over something. And how we are going to overcome this problem itself is going to be 2 minutes rule. That will definitely help you way out of this problem. And in the end, if I would be mentioning that if you have been waiting for the perfectionism, you're not even going to find it a way to get started over something. Just start. And that is the best ever advice you could take from anybody else. Because if you could just start over something and be consistent for the next 2 to 3 months, you have already left 90% of the peoples. Because if you're not going to follow the same, 90% of them, once they will understand, right, there would be a huge comparisons. You won't be able to cope up with that case. So better have the understanding first and execute on these things, and later on you will reap the same as you have been doing this.